Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nini the Hustler. So you'll be spending a day with me. Today is Christmas Day and you're going to be meeting some of my family. Right now I'm going to fetch my brother, and yeah, I'm late. I was supposed to be here at 10 and it's 11 right now. I'm not good with times, guys, but I hope he's not mad at me. Guess which brother I'm picking up. Just guess which brother I'm picking up here at the mall. We love the mall. Every time we have to meet, we meet at the mall. Pasta cool.
I thought I was the slave queen. You guys are so late.
No, it's not us, it's Ace. We parked this side. What is that wine?
Yeah, you see how it looks. I can put it in my wine cellar.
Wine drinkers.
Look at me. Oh.
Yay! Yay! So I came to fetch pasta cool. To DIY Yolandi for my apron, guys. This is how it look like. You bandile. Yes, guys, so you're spending a day with me, with my family. This is Christmas Day and everyone is happy. We're having a good time. Yeah, guys, you're going to meet some of my family. Anyways, so let me move away from here because there's noise and just go somewhere where it's a bit quiet. I don't know. You must sola the glance. But iPhone 6 left. iPhone 6s. welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2. We're chilling with the fam and we are cleaning. Thank you, DIY Yolandi. Look at your girl. Look at your girl. So we are cleaning. There's more. I think there's more family members coming. I don't know. It's a mess, guys. You know how it is after party. It's crazy. So I'm just cleaning and I'm tired. Lazy makoti bashotini, guys. Here, I mean, I don't like cleaning, Shem. It's not for me. It is not for me. I had so much fun with my family, you guys. It was amazing. I'm eating a mango for the first time this year. I love mangoes, guys. But anyways, I couldn't vlog as much as I wanted to because we were playing so much music, and I just didn't want to get any copyright or copy strikes on my channel because I've had two before. I got monetized, so I'm just keeping it safe. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment. And from my family to yours, happy holidays. See you guys in my next video. Take care.